Metadata Utility, Document on Templates, Switchboard Management. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Documents Switchboard, which will bring us to the available document management options. So Metadata Utility main core functionality is the management of Windows Media Center movie library. There are additional features that are also built in and come already available with the default installation of Metadata Utility, such as company management contacts as well as online contacts, from which we have also videos that and additional information on our website that diving into details of those functionalities. That said, however, the document switchboard enables users to manage the company contacts, documents and templates, as well as manage the online contacts, documents and templates, as well as to manage metadata utilities, documents and templates. Once that we click on metadata utility, documents and templates, and it's worth noting the same functionality will apply to any of the other described features, mentioned features. It will open up the document and templates main window. There, Metadata Utility will show the available templates that Metadata Utility uses for the processing of the management in the Windows Media Center movie library. With the default installation of Metadata Utility, it will come the default and minimum templates that Metadata Utility uses to manage, create, edit the Windows Media Center movie library. And those templates are the first two options as listed in this particular example, MU XML01 and MU XML02. The other templates that we have in this example here are for advanced troubleshooting and advanced users. Those additional templates do not come pre-installed with Metadata Utility. However, those additional templates are available for download at no additional cost for all of our users. That said, however, those advanced templates are designed, as we have in detail other videos, for detailed troubleshooting and manual and granular control of the Windows Media Center movie library metadata management, which in most cases, we will say when users are using the fully automated features in Metadata Utility, those templates are not needed. They are not necessary, as those templates are designed for manual control, which means that the functionalities in Metadata Utility will not be being used in a fully automated process. For example, there will not be a fully automated download of movie information. The information is going to be entered manually, or the management of the metadata information in Windows Media Center, a user chooses to manually manage that information. On those situations where a user wants to manually manage the information and the synchronization process, then those templates will come into play. Therefore, with the default installation of Metadata Utility, only the first two default templates, which are required and necessary for Metadata Utility to function properly, will be installed with a default installation. For more information on regards of this functionality or this feature, as well as to any other questions with regard of the additional functionalities that are built into Metadata Utility that enable users to fully manage their Windows Media Center movie library metadata information, we welcome of our users to click on those videos that we have available online, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions step by step, as well as detailed FAQ sections, how-to sections, and troubleshooting sections that enable users to completely familiarize themselves with the detailed functionality that is built in Metadata Utility to manage their Windows Media Center movie library, metadata information, or movie information. So we welcome our users to visit our website at metadatautility.com for more information. Thank you for watching.